Big Blue Button. Sharing an external video. Videos are a common way to provide context for your lessons. Adding videos is straightforward with Big Blue Button. Click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. In the menu that appears, choose the Share an External Video option. The Share an External Video pop-up appears. Enter the video URL or web link. Please note, not all online videos will work in Big Blue Button. Check the list on the screen before continuing. Click on the Share a New Video button. The video now appears in the main presentation area of Big Blue Button. To stop sharing the video, click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. In the menu that appears, choose the Stop Sharing External Video option.